Absolutely.
Okay, I'll shut the windows on the corner.
Yeah, I think they want to hear again.
Ah, here we go. Yeah.
Nice.
Should I let him pull on?
No, it's cool. It's cool. Because you can swing out if you want to. If you know the person is behind you, just swing out, take the whole corner, and then pull back in.
See what I mean though, that you go into that final gear.
Yeah, it kills it. I mean, I pulled 172 last time in mine, and that was in fifth. But then there was a big argument last feedbacks about whether the right hand lane was overreading.
I see.
Then again, it's kind of around to the right. That's it. Got to be careful up here because sometimes the guys are servicing the planes and they get a bit shirty.
What are all these cars for? This is what I wonder.
It's where they store them. I think it's all the lease cars and stuff.
Let's see.
So if you go straight on, but you can go round to the right, just where it's. Yeah. That's it. See that drain just there?
Yeah.
If you get your front wheel over that, then that's the quickest route out. Then just take the whole corner wide, and then just get it into third, and then you can pin around this.
I've been taking all this slowly. I didn't realise people were going.
It is a bit of a dodgy corner because it's quite slippery and it's off camber as well. And if you get it wrong, you're in there. Ah, boom! Much about that.
Not bad for an estate, really, is it? This is the one you want to try next, see whether that actually...
Yeah.